To add a quiz in Moodle, it is suggested to have the questions bank first that you may use to be inserted into your quizzes. So first of all, you can go to the gear icon, click more, go to the question bank sections, and this is the menu inside the questions bank feature, and you can find there are 4 tabs here: questions, categories, import and export. And my suggestion is you may create the categories first so your questions will be categorized neatly. Here you can add the category, for example. And here I already have 2 categories, and then I can add the questions here, and I can choose the category that I have created just now, and then I can create new questions. There are a lot of questions that you may explore, and the frequently used one may be the multiple choice. So I will show you how to add the multiple choice here. Click the multiple choice and then click add button. And here you can find question name and question text. Question text is uh, the questions, the text that will be shown to your students, and the question name is just like an identifier for us as the teacher. So the question's name will not appear to your students, they just see the question text. So for example, you may add the question text here. And the question's names usually um, has explain what your questions is, and it will help you to see when you see the questions list, you can see what questions is without having to really see the question text. So for example, I just want to put the name here. This is for the So I will put the name like this. This is my questions in the addition sections, and this is the questions one that I have. And after that, you may go directly to the answer sections, but I want to show you also about this. You can choose whether you want to set one answer only or multiple answers. It is also possible, and by default, Moodle will shuffle the choices. This is a very nice feature that you may use. So each students will have different combinations of answer options or answer choices. And for example, I can put the choice here, and I will put the correct answers at choice 2, which is 5. Okay, and I have these 3 answers. Although you see 5 choices here, you do not have to fill in for these 5 choices. You can just choose 3 or 4. It's up to you. And because the choice is the correct one, I will set the grade here 100%. And for the other grades, for the other choices, you just leave it as none. That will be fine. And I will save change. Okay, so here I already see the questions one for my question bank. And then I can add more as well. You can explore the other questions type, and I will put the tutorial in the descriptions link below. You can just find it more about short answer or true false